How to design a high-density campus. Wi-Fi 7 network for large enterprises designing. A high-density campus Wi-Fi 7 network requires far more than simply installing powerful access points. In large campuses and enterprise parks, most wireless issues come from poor RF planning, weak architecture design, or underestimated operational complexity. Wi-Fi 7 introduces technologies like multi-link operation, MLO, wider channels, and higher spectral efficiency, helping networks handle massive user concurrency and reduce congestion in crowded environments such as lecture halls, libraries, and conference spaces. However, real success depends on holistic network design. Enterprises must consider factors such as roaming optimization, AP density planning, multi-gigabit uplinks, and long-term network management. Ignoring wired infrastructure or relying only on adding more APs can actually worsen performance. The key takeaway: Wi-Fi 7 is powerful, but architecture, RF planning, and operations ultimately determine network performance. When designed correctly, Wi-Fi 7 can deliver reliable, scalable connectivity for the most demanding campus environments.